You paste a keyword into ChatGPT, it gives you 1,200 words of confident nonsense. No sources, no structure. It reads like the average of the internet. Because it is. And Google knows it. That content doesn't rank. It's called AI slop, and the web is drowning in it. What if, instead of one prompt, your article went through an entire editorial team inside your WordPress dashboard? This is Contento SAP Studio. 7 specialized AI agents that research, write, fact-check, illustrate, and prepare your article for publishing. Installed in one click, straight from the plugin directory. You give it what a real editor would need. Your keyword, your angle, who the reader is. Pick the article type, a pillar guide, a satellite, a comparison. Add your own reference links if you want, and hit start. Now watch what one prompt never does. The discoverer analyzes what's already ranking and what's missing. The strategist builds the SEO brief. The researcher finds real sources, actual links, actual data. Every claim in your article traces back to one of these. The writer drafts in your brand voice. Then a separate editorial reviewer checks quality, structure, and factual consistency, and flags anything a human should verify. Nothing gets waved through. Minutes later, the draft lands in your WordPress editor, fully formatted, a summary box built for AI search citations. Real internal links, real references. Click one, there's the source. It arrives as a draft because you keep the final word. Nothing publishes without you. One more click, and it's live on your site. We trust this pipeline so much that every article on our own blog is written with it. Drafted by these 7 agents, edited by a human. And it's free on WordPress.org. Bring your own AI key and it's unlimited. No credit card, no trial clock. Install it, run your first article, and publish something you're proud to put your name on. Articles that actually rank, without the AI slop.